Hey everyone, it's nice to have you here. I'm Josh. In today's episode of our series of explainer videos, How the Platform Works, we will speak about cryptocurrencies, and specifically Bitcoin, and see how it may be traded via CFDs on the iqoption platform. But before we start, we would like to thank you for your interest in our recently published videos. Please feel free to leave your comments below the videos we post. Ask questions, share your trading experience with us, and provide your suggestions on how we might improve our product and service. We do appreciate your feedback and are always happy to hear from you. Okay, let's dive into the crypto world now and explore some interesting facts around it. I believe you have all heard of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, mining, blockchain, digital wallet, NFTs, etc. These and other crypto terms have become part and parcel of the everyday agenda of the fintech and crypto companies. However, these words have entered the news feeds of ordinary people too. In parallel with exchange rates of the world's most traded currencies like the US dollar, the euro, the Japanese yen, or the British pound, or the performance of gold or indices, we often see the rates of the most important cryptocurrencies. And of course, pay special attention to what is happening to Bitcoin, the first and the most significant cryptocurrency in the world. One of some recent observations, which has been made by Chinese reporter Colin Wu, highlights that Bitcoin has skyrocketed to the 12th position among the world's most valuable assets by market cap since the beginning of 2023, and is currently ranked 11th, being on the same list with gold, silver, and such giants as Apple, Microsoft, Saudi Aramco, Alphabet, and Amazon. Bitcoin now has a market cap of over $780 billion. Indeed, Bitcoin acts as digital gold. It dominates the crypto world, covering nearly 46% of the entire crypto market cap. And even when it's experiencing very turbulent times and its value is falling, the whole market is keeping a close eye on Bitcoin's performance, hoping for the better. Going through ups and downs, Bitcoin remains the most desired crypto asset among over 9,000 cryptocurrencies that currently exist. So, what is Bitcoin? Briefly speaking, Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency in the world. It went live in 2009. We don't know exactly who created Bitcoin, but if you make a simple web search, you will encounter the name Satoshi Nakamoto. We don't know whether it was a single programmer or several programmers. By the way, the smallest unit of Bitcoin, which is equal to 100 millionths of one Bitcoin, is called a Satoshi. Bitcoin acts as a digital coin that can be sent to another person via the Bitcoin blockchain. Blockchain is a public ledger where the information about Bitcoin transactions is stored and recorded. Due to its decentralized and distributed nature, the Bitcoin blockchain does not allow to change any information without previously changing other blocks. That's why this system is very secure and transparent. The blockchain system practically eliminates the necessity for intermediaries, like those that are necessary for banks, and significantly lowers transaction costs. Apart from that, it is much faster than the payment systems used by traditional financial institutions. New bitcoins are generated through a process called mining. During mining, the information in a blockchain block gets verified. The Bitcoin blockchain uses the proof of work consensus mechanism, which involves solving computationally complex cryptographic hash puzzles. Miners that have validated the transactions, solved the puzzles, receive rewards in the form of bitcoins and fees. Bitcoin has a limited supply of coins, 21 million. It means that the process of Bitcoin mining is finite. Up to now, a bit more than 19 million Bitcoins have been mined. So does it mean that there is no sense in Bitcoin mining anymore? Absolutely no. Even considering the fact that there are only 2 million Bitcoins left for mining, it is estimated that the last Bitcoin will be mined no earlier than the year 2140. Okay, since mining is a very energy-consuming process that requires very powerful and expensive software, especially video cards, Bitcoin may be not so attractive to some people. But is mining the only way to deal with Bitcoin? No, of course not. You can buy and sell Bitcoin on various crypto exchanges. For this, you will need to have a crypto wallet. And please note that it is not available with iqoption. Or, if you are relatively new to the crypto world and still not sure whether you should try your hand at mining or just invest in some digital coins, you may consider trading Bitcoin via contracts for difference, CFDs, on the iqoption platform. What does that mean? CFD trading implies that you don't purchase and own a crypto asset. You only speculate on its price movement. So how does it work? If you believe Bitcoin will increase in price, you enter a buy position. If your speculation is correct, your trade will be closed with a positive outcome. If you think the price of Bitcoin will decline in the future, you enter a sell position. Again, if your speculation is correct, you will receive a positive outcome. In both cases, if your prediction is wrong, your trade will incur a loss. Since Bitcoin is a very volatile asset, it may provide opportunities both in rising and falling markets. That's why Bitcoin is such an attractive asset for many traders. To trade Bitcoin via CFDs on the iqoption platform, click on the plus sign in the upper panel to add a new asset group. Select Crypto and choose Bitcoin. You may double check some important information, trading conditions, and news related to Bitcoin by pressing the Info tab below the asset name. Enter an amount you would like to invest in your trade. Check the multiplier value applied to your trade. The multiplier, or leverage, allows you to trade positions larger than the amount of capital you invest. This mechanism allows traders to use extra funds from the broker in order to increase the size of their trades. For example, 1 to 2 leverage means that a trader who has invested $100 will be actually trading with $200. Although leverage lets traders increase their trade size and consequently potential gains, it also magnifies their potential losses, putting their capital at a higher risk. So you should use leverage with caution. To manage potential risks, you can also set auto-close parameters for your trade. The auto-close feature includes stop loss and take profit orders. You may either use the default parameters, 50% for stop loss and 50% for take profit, or set these parameters according to your preferences. Press buy or sell depending on your forecast, whether the price of Bitcoin will go up or down compared to the opening price. Alright, before we finish, I'd like you to think of just one figure. By 2027, the number of users in the global crypto market is projected to reach 994 million, according to the statistics portal Statista. Nearly 1 billion people. Can you imagine? So in just 4 years, every 8th person on our planet is expected to use crypto assets in some way. Just think of it, it's an enormous number indeed. This projection shows how important cryptocurrencies are becoming, how fast they are being adopted and accepted in our everyday life, and how rapidly the crypto market is growing. Nonetheless, it is also important to keep in mind that the crypto market is very volatile and entails many risks as well. Okay, this is all I wanted to tell you about Bitcoin CFD trading on the iqoption platform. Hope you've learned how it works and found some useful information in this video. If you believe this video is helpful, please like and share it. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get notifications about our upcoming videos. Oh, and one more thing. In the video description, you will find a link that provides you with immediate access to a free demo account on iqoption. The demo account is credited with $10,000 in virtual funds and allows you to explore the iqoption platform, practice your trading skills, and enhance your trading approach before you decide to invest real funds. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.